Queenie, a friend Queenie, I know RT up to no walk one of them come to Sandy and Bones TV. And you don't know RT forward na Queenie life and you don't know man do it and Queenie have a little breakup and thing, you see it. I don't know if a little breakup or a big breakup. You see me for you don't know. Queenie kinda show say I show a thing like she still love do you see it, but RT forward now, you see me? You can see RT forward right now. Just with us areas do it out of the picture with a Queenie life and just that the friendship RT forward for be you see. I don't know still that's my opinion. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see it. Yeah man, I feel sad just RT, I just him no want Queenie for himself, but him just no want Queenie and do it they together, you see me? So we go forward and hear what them are saying at the video, you see me? Alright.
Wrong identity.
I will root to this man. Look, actually, leave me alone. In the name of Jesus, we shall have a victory. Yeah.
Queenie, I love you.
I love you too. Archie, listen. You're coming in my life for a reason, and I appreciate you. But me as a Archie, if I'm a little bit more rely upon myself, my speech, I'm rely upon whatever I send out in the universe. I say whatever I send out in the universe, Archie, I wait, and got terms. God put me into this, that's me can relax there to make a peaceful and nice. But in my, I'm still on a mission. And until that mission complete, I will not get involved with anyone.
Let me say something to you. I understand, you respect that.
But no one know about RT is in a relationship before this married. And I 1 year I stay single. 1 year single. So I know myself RT. This is how me back some little I know me. For one man I always take the scripture and take me see man confess. I just if I give a problem in my crutches there to hear that.
You understand that and respect that and that's your view, but does
see what does a man get a gift?
Let me say something to you. If you get a don't worry about no, and I'm not being rude, and a lot of people now agree with me, Queenie.
You stop tell me if
Queenie, I can see
some good cocky hey, you know some good cocky blood. Art is not about the art, it's about my stability and my dignity as a person.
Get that. But the stability and the dignity of a person with your ex-husband, I am just saying it's time for you to take a good man and a good man in your life. Oh. You've been married.
That's not nice of you to say, Artie. You still not respect my
wishes. Of course I respect it, but I have listen.
Remember, it's my marriage, you know.
And I respect your marriage, but remember, I have free will to speak as well.
No, you're intervening in my belief as a person.
No, I know. Yeah? No, I know. I didn't know that I don't have the right. No, I know. No, I know.
So why you think you have the right to intervene in my life? Tell me.
Because you have the right to come in and take over your life and do anything. Me are the man who chip the iceberg in your life. I might have cracked the code, but I chip it. So I feel like a talk and give look advice.
I'll tell you I like you why I'm a TikTok, right? Why I'm a listen to you. When I TikTok, there's a difference. I'll fucking listen. Chatting to RT family a little bit me stubborn and I'm a grow by myself family class thing for when I want it. So now me have 50 all broom. You understand my RT? Ask everybody around me everything them tell me for do my object. No, I don't want it. No, don't do it.
Man just hold and take out the dress and stop light here with everything would have gone a green light. One man book here and stop light and take out the dress. Everything would have
gone. If a man can't come in RT, I tell you that already. If a man
that can't carry the system.
It can delete the marriage.
It's
looking out of my head.
Who come? I pray that thing come.
RT, God now make no man. God know me stay. God now make no cock up one for top light. You're not married to me instantly if I'm married to me. RT, me watch my. You want me say? Cock up one for me. have too much control, RT. RT, so I'm a rough, I'm a pig, but very sensitive in the RT. So you see the sensitivity, I mean, people don't see that because me's a hag, I'm awful, I'm a vulgar, I'm a very sensitive. So it's towards me as a woman, I am sensitive towards myself, my body aura, everything.
You know what you believe? I think you would be perfect as a widow.
No, I'm not laughing at that. If I look RT, no.
I'm not calling judgment on anyone because reason why you are so loyal, wherein the man is still alive, and you're acting like that.
So, RT, I'm not entertain the argument. They change the subject. Next subject.
Okay.
Whatever will be. I'm in downtown. I may walk through downtown and the whole of town I hear men and give me my hand a girl power and whatever. And out of the above, there was one girl standing there and she said, hey, our man left fire. And I'm like, such a crap. I just go to her and say, hey, girl, the man, that's how my pussy underneath me. You hear that?
Tell the girl that?
So, I go up to her
and what was her response?
The man left me, but he left me underneath me, so that's all matter to me.
And what was her response?
Me never say so, Queenie. Me never say so. Me never say so. Me never know say that crime for a man. A bad, intelligent, and smart, and in blood. What the word? Queenie, calm down. Independent.
You
can't big like this. The riverside. It's a banking cap. My bad. Beer. Fall and left there. Straight to my bus and get a youth.
Queenie.
Good morning.
You have to do too much talking, you need to dash out. You have to do much talking, you need to dash out the whole.
But now dash out not all RT. I know so RT I gonna lose my friendship with them. If him go out in a problem about dash out the whole. RT, a dog can't be a goat, can't be a cow can't be a monkey. You hear that? I am RT. After I said not change, but RT.
You have to draw the house to see who you are.
But always that from a little girl. Not
everybody.
Respect to my marriage.
Everybody have a legal.
Myself, my respect to my marriage.
Everybody have a legal. This is what you need to understand.
No, we don't need to understand anything, RT. You got talking RT. And that you need to understand. I'm not taking content from you. I'm half a papa with a talk. You don't have the guts like me, RT. Because I like God. Why am I shame? Shame and kill me again. Shame. You're not saying like your life perfect. Well, leave that one, RT.
Of course, my life perfect. May I have upstairs down, but not a problem.
Twilight's dinner tonight. All right, you know. I'm a picture that I invest my time in, I know. I feel them time now.
Being serious, Arthur. Everybody.
You sound like you're being serious, Arthur, because you're trying to tell me.
You know, everybody know me. I try dry out. I try to dry out to make you have to get things to say for your talk. So when I'm telling that, you know, I mean, see, some people they are run off their mouth and be disrespectful to me as well. When I draw out, so I can have a show to hear a reaction. Because if I never dare draw out, they won't have a reaction to the my record. Go fuck for yourself. Sandy and Bones, they are record. Everybody are record.
Nigga, what is that? Yeah, that's the truth. So what?
I didn't change your identity.
Stop all that trash now. Tell me when this is shut down and turn down in a pan bottom. When would I charge for?
Oh, definition of character.
You can't charge for
But I was just trying to be funny there though.
Because when me, Auntie, when me hear yesterday, Auntie, all the next time I say, I just open up like a roast duck and say, Auntie, come jumping and if you don't jumping on it.
I'm going to be quiet first.
Auntie,
I get too bullied right now.
answer me the question. You say you try me out, I try you out. But may I ask you, say, the gray settee, the recline settee where you're having in your front room, when me this sit down in if me come and get a roast duck and skin up like that, the Auntie jumping on you, do you jump in it?
Let me say something to you. You sure I want to answer? You sure you want me to answer that?
Please answer. Of course, you ask a question.
When I jump in at that and make my way in at that, no other man no put another foot in at that. No matter be unlocked that.